What makes this Urtopia air compressor so awesome? Well, I would say convenience is at the top of the pecking order for me. You can carry this around in your panniers, and anytime you need air from a flat or if it's just a little low, have at it. This little pump, it's a cliche word, but it is a game changer. It fits right in your hand. You can inflate stuff up to 160 psi. You can easily air up things or let out air pretty much anywhere. Plus, it's got a handy built-in LED light, so you can use it in the day or in the night. And for me, I ride along dark trails, so it's nice to have an extra added light. It has 5 inflation modes and 3 different adapters, so it covers a lot of need in a pinch. You can inflate just about anything super fast. It has a high-tech chip strong motor in it. It pumps out 32 milliliters a minute at 160 psi, which compared to other pumps means it's often twice as fast. It can go from 0 to 100 psi in just 2 minutes. On a full charge, you can inflate up to 15 bike tires. It gives you 40 minutes of continuous inflation. Now, that's what they advertise. Your mileage may vary. For safety and to make it last, it's got nylon braided mesh on the sides of the display that keeps the heat dissipated. And get this, it even has noise reduction technology, so it's pretty quiet. Now, it has multi-function goodness. The smart built-in light is super helpful in the dark, on the trail. And on top of that, the ports that plug into the lighter in your car make it great for emergencies. You can also use it as a power bank for your smartphone. Just a really good little overall device. And one of the reasons this is so helpful, of course, range. When you keep your tires aired up to the proper pressure, you get better range and better performance. And this little device really helps you do that.